Our old 80s shower head was leaking and squirting water everywhere. It was definitely time for an update. In this video, we're going to show you how we installed our new Moen shower head and what to do if you can't get this off. Welcome back to the channel. We understand the frustration of when an easy DIY project has a more difficult challenge. Don't worry, we got you. So let's get started.
This is the Moen Hydro Energetics handheld shower head. You can find this one at your local home improvement store or online. It's a handheld, not a stationary shower head. It potentially uses less water because it allows you to reach every area of your body. Here's what's included in the package. We like this shower head because of its flexibility to allow targeted water spray. This makes it easy for bathing children or pets, and it provides better accessibility for elderly users. I'll leave a link for all of the products and tools in the description below. These are what our 80s home required us to use for this shower head installation. A 10-inch crescent wrench, a pipe wrench, Teflon tape, and a new shower arm with a flange. First thing, turn off the water. Your shower faucet may turn off left to right or up and down. Step 2. Remove the old shower head connector. Normally this would be easy to get to step 3, but we had a surprise, and we made this video in case you had one too. And that surprise is a ball joint attached to the end of your shower arm. We tried to remove the ball joint from the shower arm, but it just wouldn't budge. This is why the plastic shower connection wouldn't come off. In this 80s home, I noticed that the shower arm was looser than the ball joint was. That led us to reverse engineer the process and go to step 3, which is to remove the old shower arm. We unscrewed it counterclockwise until it was removed from the wall. This is perfect if your shower head is stuck, rusted, or has an old attachment that won't budge. If the ball joint doesn't come off the shower arm because it's too tight, don't worry about it. You can replace the entire shower arm. Right after removing the old ball joint and shower arm, we went straight to our local home improvement store to purchase a new 6-inch black shower arm and flange. To keep things simple for you, the red sticker is the side that goes into the wall. We purchased a black shower arm instead of chrome at the request of our family members. For this project, we made sure to use our Teflon tape. It allows for a tighter, deeper seal on tapered fittings, and it fills in microscopic gaps between threads to prevent water leaks. One thing I like about this type of DIY project is that we upgraded our shower head without the need of a plumber. Doing this type of project yourself could potentially save you hundreds of dollars, and you get the upgrade of your choice. We used Teflon tape on every joint that connected to another, and we removed the excess where needed. Teflon tape is very easy to use. I strive to make around 4 to 5 passes around the surface. This allows for low friction and makes fittings easier to tighten and prevents them from seizing. Teflon's deformable nature fills imperfections, acting like a gasket to block fluid paths. So basically, you want to use it because it'll help reduce or eliminate water leaks. We didn't feel the need to use our tools when tightening the new shower arm, but you could use yours if you desire to. I like this because it's an easy action for this DIY project. Tighten the arm without over tightening before going to the next step. And we did it without using the tools that could possibly scratch the new shower parts. This is the shower bracket, and it holds the shower handle in place. We had to replace the entire shower arm because some 80s homes have ball joints attached to them and they're hard to remove. Now this bathroom has a nice upgraded shower handle to aid in a more relaxing and comfortable showering experience.
We realized when you start with all new hardware, it makes installation so much easier.
Yes, it does.
We even made sure that the thread on the bracket that connects the hose was also covered in tape.
In this next step, we added the rubber washers to the hose ends. Rubber washers are essential in handheld shower heads and their metal hoses because they create a watertight seal, preventing leaks at the threaded connection points. The last thing you want to do is complete this project and find a bunch of water leaks.
This shower head was easy to install because everything could be hand tightened. I really like the design of this Moen shower head and its spray options.
With Teflon tape, the goal is to seal, not to lubricate to the point of over tightening.
Everything is connected and now we want to make sure it works.
This is the moment we've been waiting for. We turned on the water. There's no water leak in the new shower arm or new shower bracket components after doing this DIY project.
I'm so glad we don't have to deal with the water spraying everywhere. I love the sleek design and output of our new one.
And this is also why we went with the Moen Hydro Energetics shower head. Now for the cleanup work because I stood inside the tub with shoes on. We made sure to remove the excess Teflon tape because it doesn't look aesthetically pleasing to the end user when they're taking a shower. If this helped, hit the like button, share with your family and friends, and check out our other easy home upgrades. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.